So here I have a 2002 Escalade EXT that I took in as a project vehicle. Gentleman told me he put a new starter on it and a couple other new parts, but starter is the main issue. He said he drove it home one day and then went out to crank it and it would not start, which is a common problem with the Cadillacs, GMCs, Chevy Silverados, with either the 5.3 or 6.0 engine. This has the original 6-liter. So this is what I have going on. Let me show you. I need some help. The car does need a little touch up here and there, but not too bad. So, all right, let me get the key here. I'll show you what I'm experiencing. You get the key, turn the key to the on position, the lights and everything light up. You hit it, you hear that little click. That's all I'm hearing. Nothing else is happening. Okay. So as I said, the gentleman that sold me, he said that he had put a new starter on and still nothing. So, I believe it could be the neutral safety switch. I haven't got under there to look at it yet, but I'm trying to go through the series of tests just to see. Looks like the original alternator is on there. A lot of stuff is original on the vehicle. Has 200 and something thousand miles. But these trucks can go, if they are maintained, can go upwards 500,000 miles. But here is what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and jump it just from the relay. Pin 87. Just going to touch the hot wire and see what it does. I'm going to put the key in the ignition and see what it does. And I'll show you what's going on here. So, key in the on position. I'm going to jump it here. I'm going to take this battery, this wire here, and touch the positive. And as you'll see, it cranks over, but it will not stay on. So watch this. See that? Hit it again. So it starts up and just immediately shuts back down. See, I'm also thinking, I'm wondering if there's a ground issue, because let me show you. Move this out the way. One of my ground straps is broke. I don't know if all of them are like that. I did order some new ground straps, but look at the ground strap. Gone. This is the one that's right up here on the firewall. It came from the back of the engine. I was reaching back there checking it to see if it was tight, and it just broke off right in my hand. So this is the ground strap that's gone. I don't know how many other ground straps. If anyone knows and can give me some idea, let me know. But this is what happens. It starts up for a second and shuts right back down. Watch this. That's it. So if it's starting like that, the starter's not bad. It's just not getting the right signal. How you doing, neighbor? All right. All right. My neighbor's walking by, walking the dog. So just not exactly for sure. I mean, I guess the promising sign is that it's something that is causing the vehicle not to, it's not receiving the signal from the key when I turn the key. Somewhere there's an in-between that's not happening, and it's not staying on. So I'm wondering where is the fault? What's going on? Again, watch. And dies. So with that in mind, anyone have any pointers that they could point me in the right direction? That would be great. I'd appreciate it. Other than that, that's what I have. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.